What's up, YouTube? This is Too Raw for TV. All right, so this has come to my attention, and this is going to be a Patreon video. Okay, for what I have to say, this is going to be a Patreon video, but I want to address this over here. So, in case you haven't heard about this, and shout out to the subscribers who've been letting me, been hitting me up, telling me about this. So yesterday, I think this is when it happened. Yesterday, a federal judge has thrown out major felony charges against two former Louisville officers accused of falsifying a warrant that led police to Breonna Taylor's door before they fatally shot her. U.S. District Judge Charles Simpson's ruling declared that the actions of Taylor's boyfriend, who fired a shot at police the night of the raid, were the legal cause of her death, not a bad warrant. Federal charges against former Louisville police detective Joshua James and former Sergeant Kyle Meany were announced by U.S. Attorney General Merrick Garland in 2022 during a high-profile visit to Louisville. Garland accused James and Meany, who were not present at the raid, of knowing they had falsified part of the warrant and put Taylor in a dangerous situation by sending armed officers to her apartment. But Simpson wrote in the Tuesday ruling, okay, this was actually Tuesday when this went down, but I didn't see it really talked about till yesterday, that, quote, as far as looking up the news, now I only found about it today, but Simpson wrote in the Tuesday ruling that, quote, there is no direct link between the warrantless entry and Taylor's death. Simpson's ruling effectively reduced the civil rights violation charges against James and Meany, which had carried a maximum sentence of life in prison, to misdemeanors. So basically, the serious stuff, the serious shit, they avoid that. You know, it's going to be slaps on the wrist. The judge declined to dismiss a conspiracy charge against James and another charge against Meany, who was accused of making false statements to investigators. So slaps on the wrist. That's it. I want to talk about this on my Patreon, y'all. So for those of you who subscribe to my Patreon, I hope you enjoyed the other two videos I uploaded today. I'm going to upload this one within the hour, talking about this situation. For those of you interested in the Patreon, there's a link in the all my links link in the description box. And there should be a link in the comment section to my Patreon if interested. So we'll talk about it over there, man. This doesn't make any sense. It's just ridiculous, man. It's ridiculous. And then people wonder why we don't trust the police. You wonder why. And you wonder why we have a lot of hostility toward them. Oh boy.